Okay, so I tried my hardest to find a good angle with some good lighting so I don't have to set up my studio lighting. So I hope that this angle is good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley. Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing something that I have been needing to do for so long. We are going to organize my bathroom, or our bathroom today. So we have like not a lot of storage in there, and it's really small. So trying to show you guys under the cabinet is going to be a little challenging. So I'll show you guys the setup when we get into there. But basically we have our sink and then little drawers that open, and I just literally just throw all of our crap that we don't use. And a lot of it is like empty bottles that I want to save because I need to remember to buy them again, or things that we don't use anymore. So it's just like a lot of stuff that I need to go through and organize. I also bought some bins today from Biglot, so that's going to be good. I measured everything, so everything should fit perfectly, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, and please do not judge. It's really bad and really unorganized, so I'm like really terrified and embarrassed to even show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, leave a nice comment please in the comments below. No negativity, I'd really appreciate that. So let's jump on into the bathroom and let's get to cleaning and organizing. So you walk in, the door is right here on this side. You have the toilet, the tub, shower, the sink, and this wooden stand right here that I got from Home Depot. So right here is a plant that I don't want to talk about. I killed it almost. I'm so sad about it. Don't look at it. I have a candle. I have Keith's shelf that I try and keep organized daily. I have my shelf right here that I try and keep organized. And then we have this bin that I need to go through and organize. And then we have our toilet paper down here. And we move over to the sink. This normally doesn't get too messy, but where everything is a mess is down here in these drawers. It is really bad and there's no bins. Look how messy this is. Oh my gosh. I look like I have every single bathroom product under my sink. So I need to go through here and really organize all of this. It is truly a mess. Close that back up. And then we just have our curtain from Target, and our trash can and rug from Target, and our toilet. Let's get on to organizing under the sink. So before I get started, I wanted to share with you guys the little bins. I got 4 of these. They are super cute. They come with a little lid and look like this. And these are from Biglot. They are $4. And this is what the tag looks like if you're interested in knowing the name and everything. Oh my gosh, this camera is beautiful. It's actually autofocusing. Yay! I'm so excited. My other camera did not autofocus, and it was just a really old camera. It's like 10 years old, so I think it was time for an upgrade. So yeah, that is the name of the bin. I got 4 of these, and they're just really awesome. They come in blue and gray. I was looking for the gray ones, but they didn't have any more, so I just got 4 of these blue ones. So what I'm going to start doing now is just taking everything out and trying to put things into like categories, in like 4 categories, so that I can put them in the bins and see how that goes. So let's do that. Okay, so it's all cleaned and it looks pretty nice. And I'm gonna put these 2 big things in here, which is the plunger and the toilet bowl cleaner. Okay, so that looks nicely in the corner over there. I'm just gonna organize and put the bins in here the way I think I want them. I'm not quite sure how I exactly want them to be. I guess that looks pretty nice. And then I'm just gonna put stuff in here that needs to go back in here. So I guess I'll make one for my hair products. This is a shampoo that I use. So I guess I can put that over here. And then I have two empty dry shampoos that will go in the trash. I have another empty one. And this one's pretty full. So I'm gonna take the cap, put the cap on and put it in here. I have my hairspray, deodorant, my detangler, the Sun Bum heat protector, this volumizing spray. I have another deodorant. Oh, another one. I have 3 deodorants I didn't even know I had. We have my menstrual cup and cleanser. Okay, I think that's pretty good for that. So now, toothpaste. We have an extra toothbrush. We have this charcoal toothpaste, a mini size. I'll put in there. Let's see. I'll make a medicine cupboard one. I have some rubbing alcohol. I have Keith's oil and his timeout for his eczema. I have my oils for medication for my scalp. I'll put that in the medicine bin. Keith's lotion and some Sarna. I'll put in here as well. Grab some floss. I have this stone for my feet. I'll place that back there. We have this bin to go through. Some band-aids I'll put back here. I have some more brush heads for our Sonicare. Some vapor rub razors. Water pick flosser. We have some shave butter. I'm not sure if Keith uses this, but I'll put it in there. And some of this stuff. I don't know what it is. What is this? Oh. We also have some beard wax. We have some more shave soap for him. His water pick heads. And then my mirror. We have more of my oil for my head. We have our bathroom trash bags. We have Keith's hair gel. And some Indian healing clay. Okay. Looks pretty good. Alright, so here's the finished product of me organizing under the sink. I think it looks so much better than what it did before. And even though it may look like a lot of stuff is still under here, it kind of does, but I feel like it's better than it was because everything's in its own bin. Like I know that behind here is the medicine stuff. This bin is Keith's. This one is like the floss toothpaste and toothbrushes, and this one is my bin of my hair products and stuff like that. So I'm really happy of how this turned out, and I'm so excited. It looks a lot better. And then over here, I just organized this bin. A lot of the stuff that was in here, I either put down here or I threw it away. So it's just the stuff we use on a daily basis. So yeah, it looks a lot better and everything just looks really good. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was somewhat entertaining. It was so nice to finally get in here and organize everything. It makes my headspace feel so much better. But yeah, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you have any video requests, let me know down below. I have some few ideas of what I want to do next in the next couple of upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that and subscribe for more videos. Push the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.